Hi friends, we're gonna do an experiment today. You need a little bit of milk, some food coloring, a Q-tip, and dish soap. I'm gonna use Dawn. So it's a pretty cool thing. You want a plate that has a high rim because we're gonna pour milk into it. Just a little bit of milk. I'll adjust my screen in a minute. If I can. It's better. It's gonna fall into my milk. I just know it. Okay. I'll pull this back. All right, and now I'm gonna add some drops of food coloring. Put some yellow over here. I have not done this before, but we're gonna give it a try. And some red. 3 drops. Some blue. And some green. You see all those? And now we get some soap on your Q-tip. And you just put it in there. Whoa. You put your soap in the Q-tip and it repels the food coloring to make really cool designs in your milk. You see that? It's interesting. And everywhere you put the soap, it pushes the colors away. When it stops doing that, it means that your Q-tip needs more soap. So I get a new one. Okay, it just takes a little bit of dish soap. Oh, a little more than that, maybe. It's pretty cool though. You should try that at home. It's so fun.